I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable alerts on the PNC app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the PNC app. Launch the PNC mobile banking app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once you're in the app, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select alerts. In the settings menu, find the option labeled alerts or notifications. Tap on it to view the different types of alerts you can enable. Step 4. Choose alert types. You'll see various alert options like transaction alerts, balance alerts, and payment reminders. Select the ones you want to enable by toggling them on. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred alerts, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. Sometimes, the app may not show all alert options if your account settings are incomplete, so double-check your profile. I hope this helps you set up alerts easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.